Travel for me is experience, growth, challenge, a lot and a lot of connection, exposure. It literally is everything. Hi guys, वेलकम टू ब्लंट विद के। मैं हूँ आपकी लाइफ कोच कोमल नारंग एंड आज हम बात करने वाले हैं अबाउट ऑल माई ट्रैवल एक्सपीरियंसेस, थिंग्स दैट आई स्टार्टेड डूइंग एवर सिंस आई स्टार्टेड ट्रैवलिंग अलोन विद माई किड. I personally wanted to talk a lot about how I started traveling. I get so many people over sessions, especially my clients, who end up asking me that how do you do it by yourself? Because I think post traveling with somebody else, traveling alone can be an overwhelming experience, especially agar aap when you start traveling with the kid after the end of your marriage. It can be a very different experience. So I'm going to talk about all of that. I'm going to talk about certain things that I've started doing, my travel rituals, things that I personally enjoy a lot. So this video is a lot about my experiences. I would love to know yours. I would love if you can comment and share with me not just your travel learnings, but your challenges, the things that you've started doing post traveling a lot, because I think with experience we learn so much. So I would love to know your experience, and I'm sharing today my personal travel experiences and stories. Before I begin, please make sure to subscribe because mera goal hai to do 10,000 subscribers in 2025. I'm gonna post a new video every Sunday 11 a.m. IST, so you can mark that on your calendar and come back and enjoy a new creation on Blunt with K every week. I also post a lot of shorts. I have an Instagram called My Happiness, जहाँ पे मैं बहुत सारे लाइफ कोचिंग रील्स बनाती हूँ, माइंडसेट शिफ्टर्स बनाती हूँ, बहुत फिलोसफिकल हो जाती हूँ. आई वुड लव टू हैव यू एवरीवेयर, सो चेक आउट माई डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स so that you do not miss out on any of these places. Plus, कल से I'm starting Self Care September. It is a life-changing experience to do a monthly challenge together. So if you are not part of that, I'm really sorry, but this is the time. Start, believe in yourself and join Self Care September. Trust me when I say this, इससे ज़्यादा affordable तरीका अपना ध्यान रखने का, अपने ऊपर काम करने का और learn करने का नहीं हो सकता. Link is down below. Join right away. And now let's talk about my travel experiences. I have written so many things in my notes, and I've not scripted this video. I usually write a script, I write what I'm going to speak, I write a little layout of my video, but for this particular video I haven't done that because I just wanted to sort of do it raw, sort of not script it. I don't know why. So let me know what you think about this video after watching it. Let's get started. Okay, let me share something with you, what importance travel plays in my life. I love traveling. One of my life goal is to travel for a full year, where I go every month to different place and I stay there for 1 month. So that would be 12 months of traveling. It's a goal and I know that I'm gonna get there, but definitely right now at the moment I'm surrounded with my son's school schedule. तो मुझे उसके स्कूल के अराउंड बहुत सारी चीज़ें प्लान करनी पड़ती हैं, उसके हॉलीडे के अराउंड मैं ट्रैवल कर पाती हूँ. एंड आई ट्रैवल विद माई सन. आई हैव नॉट डन अ सोलो ट्रिप एवर in my life. People who do it, inspiration, kudos, but I travel with my 8-year-old. I started traveling with him when he was 5 and now he's 8, so I've had good 3 years of experience traveling with him and it's just amazing. I'll talk all about it, but let me share something with you before we get into the nitty-gritty details. So I was the person who was very submissive and used to rely a lot on my ex-partner for planning travel. He and I, we both bonded a lot on traveling. We used to talk a lot about traveling. He had a lot more information. He had better IQ than me. He was better with technology. He used to read a lot, and for the longest time, for a decade, I used to rely on him for traveling inspirations. So whatever destinations we did together were somewhat his destinations, then he used to share it with me. And I'm the kind of person who blends in and who goes with the lead. So he used to be the leader and I used to follow him a lot. And most of the travel experiences that we had together were led by him. तो मुझे मेरी पर्सनालिटी कभी निकल के ट्रैवल में नहीं दिखी. आई यूज टू बी like, even if I used to have the place where we would travel and it would be selected by me, but I wouldn't do the research much. He would be the one looking out for location, for stay. He would be the one looking out for restaurants to try. Basically what I'm trying to put here is that he was amazing with taking out travel experiences to do, and I was one of this person who used to be like a backpack that he used to carry, and I used to follow him all around. After I came out of my marriage, after I ended my marriage, traveling became like one of the things that I wanted to do on my own, and I wanted to learn how to do it. And I was extremely overwhelmed because I'm an anxious person by nature. Or let me reframe that and let me say that in a different way. I don't like this sentence at all. So I have been dealing with anxiety since really long. So post ending my marriage, traveling by my own with my son became something that I wanted to do, and I felt like a sense of achievement while doing it. मुझे बहुत confidence मिलने लगा with the idea of dreaming about traveling. I think one of the things that I had in my mind was, how will I travel now post end of my marriage, because I used to not do any of it. No visa work, no planning the hotel, no planning the itinerary. I was all about, मुझे vlog करना है, मुझे अच्छी photos खींचनी है, और अगर हम अच्छी जगह जा रहे हैं तो big ये, और मुझे outfits सोचने हैं. A very typical submissive person who was in her own bubble, who used to just follow her partner doing most of the chores. So from that to now, I am now a different person altogether. I feel like मेरी एक some sort of spiritual death हुई post the end of my marriage, and now I'm exploring and learning about me, and what I'm finding about me are such beautiful, amazing things. Really happy about it. Why I'm sharing this is for you all to know that it is possible to do it at any age. I started traveling alone post 30. You can start at any age. You can learn how to do it by your own, and I think traveling really empowers you. I even now, when I look at couple who travel together, there is this sense of, hi kash mere sath bhi aisa hota, I wish I had a travel partner. But just because I don't have a travel partner doesn't mean that I'm going to stop myself from having any kind of experiences. And I don't like depending or anybody else leading the whole plan anymore. That is just something I was doing to keep my marriage. That is something that I did back then. So I've written down all the things that I do when I travel, and this is something I've learned over the years. First thing that I have learned is read everything thrice. I've literally written everything means everything. So here is a funny story. I was going to Krabi, and the day I had my flight, I get a message that, hey, this is your check-in time, and उसके नीचे ऐसे छोटू सा लिखा हुआ था कि only cabin baggage is allowed. So I had apparently booked cheaper tickets, and cheaper tickets come with no check-in baggage, which I had not read at all. And I had booked my tickets. I was very happy about the fact that, hey, मेरी tickets बड़ी cheap है. And the day I had my flight to Krabi, I am reading literally 3 hours, 4 hours before my flight or before my airport time. I'm reading that I don't have check-in baggage I'll have to pay for my check-in baggage. And I remember calling my mother in panic mode, and I was like, Mama! And then she was like, you should read everything 5 times. You should read all the terms and conditions. And I've made this mistake not once. This is not the only time I've made this mistake. I've made this mistake recently where I had to book, like, I had to register for some visa, and I ended up not doing it from their official site. I ended up doing it from a third party site, and then I ended up paying a little more for my visa. So read everything. I'm the kind of person who gets into panic mode and wants to quickly book everything. That's the anxious self. So now what I do is I sit down, I tell myself, कोई ट्रेन नहीं छूट रही है, कोई टिकट नहीं चली जाएगी, ये ज़िंदगी का लास्ट ऑफर नहीं है, एक दिन में कुछ चेंज नहीं हो जाएगा. एंड दैट्स हाउ आई डू माई बुकिंग्स. I think booking was one of the things which used to really overwhelm me, because this is one area that my ex used to handle, and I used to not put 2 cents into it. So now learning how to book a hotel, where the location of the hotel is, how to book flights, how to do my visa work, it's been a great learning experience. I think everybody should learn and do it. I wouldn't recommend not doing it. I wouldn't recommend depending on somebody else to do the whole thing. If you are at that place, if it's working for you, a big thumbs up. But now that it's not working for me, I understand the importance of being independent and doing it by my own. The minute I was back in my past, I wasn't doing all these things. I'm not proud of being that way. I love creators who are empowering themselves and others. I think I was a very pseudo empowered person who was making money but not managing money, earning but not saving for herself, spending everything on others, looking like a modern version of a woman but being very submissive in the relationship. I think that was me in a nutshell. Now what I do when I'm traveling is I have to sit, I have to plan everything, I have to read on everything. Read on everything has become my mantra, and even then you will make mistakes. Coming to the next point, allow yourself to make mistakes. When you will start traveling by your own, you will make a lot of mistakes. You will choose the restaurant which is not great, you will choose a hotel which is not great, you will choose something which is far from the center, then you will learn कि ज़्यादा commute हो गया. Travel is all about allowing yourself to make mistakes, going for that challenging trip where आपका होटल शायद ज़्यादा दूर बुक हो गया है, या आप किसी ऐसे रेस्टोरेंट में खा रहे हो जहाँ आपके टाइप का मेन्यू नहीं है, या आप किसी चीज़ के लिए बहुत दूर आए हो एंड देन इट टर्न्स आउट टू बी अ बमर. All of these things will happen. Learning not to be rigid and learning that we don't have to control our experiences, we have to navigate through them. I think that is what travel does for me. मेरे कमरे में बहुत भयंकर ठंड हो गई है एसी की अचानक से. आई नीड टू फिक्स दिस बिफोर आई स्टार्ट shivering. First thing that I've learned through my travel experiences is read everything thrice, if not 5 times. Second thing that I do personally is that I do not go to isolated areas. No isolated travel for me. With Ivan, when I'm traveling, I want to be safe, I want to be in the center, I want to have taxi around me, I want to have people around me. I personally don't do that because मेरी एनजाइटी और ज़्यादा बढ़ जाती है. आई डोंट वॉन्ट टू डू समथिंग लाइक दैट. आई एम नॉट रेडी फॉर समथिंग लाइक दैट. सो देर हैव बीन टाइम्स व्हेन आई हैव गॉन टू से हिमाचल एंड आई हैव कॉन्शियसली बुकड समथिंग जिसके बहुत सारे रिव्यूज़ थे, जो कि आइसोलेटेड एरिया में नहीं था, एंड आई वॉज फीलिंग मोर कॉन्फिडेंट व्हेन आई वॉज डूइंग समथिंग लाइक दिस. रिसेंटली जब मैं बाली गई थी, आई मेड श्योर दैट माई Airbnb इज़ सो क्लोज टू द बीच दैट आई कैन वॉक टू द बीच. द मार्केट वॉज अराउंड, देयर वॉज अ सुपर मार्केट नियर. These things really help me feel comforted. These things help me in um, being, feeling safe and feeling like, okay, I can do this by my own. Third thing that I personally do when I'm packing is packing medicines, packing some extra clothes, always some extra clothes, especially if you're traveling with a child. Always pack extra clothes, because you don't know when you're going to get dirty, you don't know when you're going to slip or something is going to fall on you and your clothes are going to get dirty, and you don't want to have these small little panic moments. You want to be very chill during traveling, and that is possible when you pack smart. By pack smart means that you pack a little extra for your child, especially for your child. You pack their medicines, you pack rash cream, you pack travel size shampoo and body lotion. You don't want to depend on कि आप पहुँचोगे और आपको वहाँ पे मिलेगा. Yes, आपको मिलेगा, but having certain essentials is going to just help you have a smooth experience. मैं personally ये चीज़ें करती हूँ. I am more so sharing this with you. What you want to do is your personal take. What you want to take from this video is your personal decision, but मैं personally ये करती हूँ. बहुत सारा personal बोल दिया ना मैंने. थर्ड थिंग जब मैंने ट्रैवल करना शुरू किया था was to start small. My first solo trip with Ivan was from here to Udaipur. एंड आई टुक अ हेल्पर. तब मेरे पास 24 आवर हेल्पर होती थी, तब मैं अफोर्ड कर पाती थी 24 आवर हेल्पर. तो आई टुक माई 24 आवर हेल्पर, इवान एंड मी, एंड वी वेंट टू उदयपुर. आई वॉज शिट स्कैर्ड. इट वॉज 10 hour ड्राइव और समथिंग. मेरी फट के हाथ में आई हुई थी. पूरे हाईवे पे मैं बस यही प्रे कर रही थी कि ना मुझे सुसु आए ना इवान को आए. वी डोंट हैव द नीड टू स्टॉप. आई हैड पैक्ड फूड, आई हैड पैक्ड एवरीथिंग. द ओनली थिंग आई हैड कैलकुलेटेड वॉज one toilet stop, and we did that, and then after that we reached Udaipur. I don't drive too fast. I remember when I went to Udaipur, that was like me on highway without anybody else. I used to not do highway driving before when I was not alone. My ex used to be the one driving all the time, and I used to be the passenger choosing music. And from that, shifting to being the person who's going to put the luggage in the car and who's going to sort of get all the details done, have to drive. You can't be tired, you can't take a break, there's nobody else who can drive, it's you and your child. It's been such an empowering experience. Oh my gosh, I personally really enjoyed that experience. I wanted to be that empowered. मुझे ना मेरी शादी जब ख़राब होने लग गई थी, तो मुझे सबसे पहले अपने ऊपर बहुत गुस्सा आया था on these things, that why are you so dependent on him. Like, that was one thing I really sat with, that how dare you be so dependent on somebody else. And initially gussa aaya, but then I started fixing it, and that's how I did with my travel. First Udaipur trip, I chose a 5 star so that I can stay in the hotel, which is very well in the center, and I had the money to do all of these things. But even then, चेक इन में ही सबसे पहले सब देखने लग जाते हैं कि ओ माई गॉश, दिस इज़ अ वुमन विद अ चाइल्ड बट नो मैन अराउंड. इट इज़, आप अकेले ट्रैवल कर रहे हो, आपको कोई नोटिस नहीं करेगा. लेकिन अगर आप बच्चे के साथ ट्रैवल कर रहे हो, तो आपको एज बेसिक एज वेटर आके बोलेगा, मैम सर. आप कहीं भी जाओगे तो आपसे रैंडमली लोग पूछ लेंगे कि फादर नहीं आए, आपके हस्बैंड नहीं आए, इनके पापा नहीं आए, इनके पापा कहाँ हैं, ये सर कहाँ है. बहुत. एंड यू वुड थिंक कि मैं ये सब चीज़ें ऐसे बोल रही हूँ, होती नहीं होंगी. मेरे साथ बहुत हुई हैं, हर जगह हुई हैं. इंडिया में हुई है, बाली में हुई है, कराबी में हुई है, एज बेसिक एज मैं किसी रेस्टोरेंट में खाना खा रही हूँ और मेरे से वेटर बात कर रहा है कि ओ ही सो क्यूट इवान के बारे में, एंड देन दैट पर्सन वुड से दैट हिज फादर, वेयर इज हिज फादर, एंड देन सो यू नो दिस रिसेंटली हैपेंड. सो बाली में वी टुक अ गोजैक एंड हम लोग टैक्सी में थे, और वो ड्राइवर हमसे बातें कर रहा था कि आप यहाँ घूमे कैसा था, बाली कैसा लग रहा है. आई एम ऑल्सो वेरी टॉकेटिव पर्सन, आई लाइक टॉकिंग टू माई Uber drivers. So I was also talking, and then straight he goes ki, oh, where's your husband? And I was like, no, I'm a single mother. So he said, okay, that's nice. And he was very friendly, but after that I felt like, oh, like is he going to now, you know, like drop us and then keep, because उसने हमें drop किया और वो वहीं पे रुका हुआ था. So I was like, oh, is he going to like stay there, is he going to like come back now he knows where our Airbnb is. I got very scared, called a friend, and that friend was like, you know, you should not tell everybody that you're a single mother so proudly. You should say that, oh, my husband is at the Airbnb, because आप अकेले हो बच्चे के साथ, यू डोंट वांट एवरीबडी एल्स टू नो. एंड आई डेंट फील लाइक नहीं मुझे उसको बताना है. मेरे को भी सबसे पहले यही लगा कि हाँ, आई शुडंट बी डूइंग दैट, क्योंकि यू नो व्हाट इफ किसी की नीयत ठीक नहीं है. आई डोंट वांट लाइक attract eyeballs towards me. So what I have learned is to dodge this question, but I don't know what I'll do next. This was the last experience that I had, but I've had everywhere I go, I've had this sense of visa पे, airport पे, entry में. मतलब इवान और मुझे तो अब आदत हो गई है कि हम कहीं भी जाएंगे और मुझसे ये पूछा जाएगा कि वेयर इज़ हिज फादर, और वेयर इज़ योर हस्बैंड, और यू नो थिंग्स लाइक you by yourself, you both are alone, family, that kind of thing. The only place where we did not get asked these questions, the only place where this did not happen was Leh Ladakh. And can you imagine, I can't imagine, even when I've done it, that I went to Leh with Ivan, and I did Leh to Ladakh to this thing, Nubra Valley, then Nubra Valley to Pangong, then Pangong to Somuriri, and then Somuriri to back to Leh. And I did all of that with driver Ivan and me in the car. And the driver was so amazing. We did not get stuck anywhere. It was a very beautiful trip. I fell sick in between, and universe has a way of protecting you. I made a friend who was helping me babysit Ivan when I was sick, and imagine, out of nowhere I make a friend who helps me with Ivan when I'm sick in Leh Ladakh. I don't know her, she doesn't know me, and the next day we are trekking together. So Leh Ladakh was a life-changing experience. I think it was one of those experiences where I felt like this is so empowering. I love traveling by my own. I love traveling with Ivan. Not that other experiences don't count, but what I'm trying to share here is that Leh Ladakh was a challenging one, because it's such an isolated place when you drive on those mountains. While I'm saying कि मैं isolated place में नहीं जाती या isolated travel नहीं करती, I did Leh Ladakh and I felt so safe, so secure. I have all of these experiences documented and posted on my Instagram. So in case you want any kind of details, mostly I mention that on my Instagram. एक highlight बना हुआ है, वहाँ पे मैं सारी चीज़ें डाल देती हूँ related to these things. Next thing that I started doing was booking Airbnb. I love Airbnb. Airbnb के थ्रू मैं मसूरी गई इवान के साथ उदयपुर के बाद, एंड वहाँ पे आई मेट सिद्धार्थ की बहुत ही अमेजिंग प्रॉपर्टी थी. वहाँ इवान एंड आई स्टेड. सिद्धार्थ बिकेम माई फ्रेंड, सिद्धार्थ बिकेम इवान्स फ्रेंड्स. इवान मेड विलेजर के, वो उस विलेज के सारे बच्चे इवान के दोस्त बन गए, एंड वी स्टार्टेड प्लेइंग लूडो टुगेदर. We had such a great weekend. But सिद्धार्थ का जो Airbnb है ना, that's on a पहाड़ जहाँ की ड्राइव बड़ी रिस्की है. So when I did that, Siddharth's parents, even Siddharth was shocked that I did that by my own. And when he was saying कि oh my gosh तुम ड्राइव करके यहाँ like पूरा मसूरी ड्राइव कर लिया गुड़गांव से, दैट इज़ अमेजिंग. बट तुमने वो एक लास्ट का 1 किलोमीटर या जो भी आधा किलोमीटर का पैच है, दैट्स अ बिट ट्रिकी, पीपल गेट स्कैर्ड, यू डिड दैट. सो व्हेन आई गॉट दोज praises, it started really making me feel like, oh my gosh, I'm doing such a big thing. Not that I was waiting for praises, it's just after doing, if somebody makes you realize ki, oh my gosh, you've done a big thing, it really helps. I'm not gonna lie, praises also really help. Praises are amazing. Please praise everybody, compliment them. You don't know आप किसका confidence बना रहे हो by doing something like that. So yeah, we did Mussoorie. After that we did Pushkar, Brahma Horizon. हम बहुत जाते हैं पुष्कर में, Van and I. We love going there. We love spending time there. So we started building up experiences through that. Then first international trip that I did with Ivan was Krabi, and it was amazing. We had the best time. Best time. And then we went to Hong Kong with my mother, we went to Disneyland, recently we went to Bali, and Bali was 11 days summer vacation. Oh my gosh, I am still in Krabi, Hong Kong, Bali, Leh Ladakh, and yeah, these are the places that I really liked. Rajasthan alone, I didn't like it that much. There are a lot of people who will stare at you, people will start following you, auto walas will start following you. In India, you get more of that, hey, you're alone. A lot of people stare, a lot of crowded places. But once you go abroad, it's a bit different. It's actually a lot more different. There are like Krabi में सबसे less हुआ मेरे साथ. People asking me questions related to me being alone. Indonesia में भी हुआ, Bali में भी people were with that headspace, and everywhere I used to go shop या हम spa में जाते थे तो ये होता ही था. We've gotten a lot used to it and it doesn't bother me. I am still yet to explore how it would bother Ivan. I'm sure जब Ivan बड़ा होगा तो वो बताएगा कि उसको कैसा feel होता था, because I think a child has a very different experience. But for me, I don't get bothered by it. I only get bothered when somebody starts staring or flirting. This is the next thing. So the minute people realize that you're with a child and you're alone, they start, I don't know why they start flirting with you. They think that you're available and you are looking for another man or something, and they just assume that you are looking for somebody, so they start flirting with you. So then you have to be very conscious कि आप ज़्यादा friendly होके बात नहीं करो. For an example, मैं बहुत friendly इंसान हूँ, मैं gender देख के लोगों से बात नहीं करती. मेरी आदमियों से भी बहुत बात हो जाती है, मेरी औरतों से भी बहुत बात हो जाती है, मैं सबसे बहुत अच्छे से बात करती हूँ. लेकिन आदमियों से थोड़ी सी भी फ्रेंडली होकर बात कर लो तो आदमियों को लगने लगता है कि आप उनमें इंटरेस्टेड हो. वो आप नहीं भी हो तो भी उनको लगने लग जाता है. In my travel experiences, what I have learned is that if you choose your people, you will have a great time, but take time in choosing people. What I'm trying to share here with you is that as a single parent, be a little careful of who you talk with and how much you talk with them. That's what I have learned, because being a talkative person can become like a little, can go against you. I check reviews a lot. I read reviews, I check creators' content, I follow travel influencers, I have certain friends who are travel influencers, I pick their ideas and I ask them questions, and then I do my bookings. That is something I've started doing since I started traveling alone. I would, like, for an example, Savi from Bruce Passport is a great friend. So I would ping Savi, I would ask her, hey, what are your recommendations? My personal friends, whatever, whenever they are traveling, I would take their itinerary, book the same thing. I want safety and security when I'm traveling, and I make sure to do that via learning from others' experiences and reading reviews. Next thing that I do a lot is I make a folder and keep everything. I print out everything. I am very conscious and careful about passport, documents, my card, my wallet, my charger. Recently मैं अपना headphone घुमा चुकी हूँ, God knows how. um, I'm blaming me being tired and being overstimulated. But usually, I'm very careful about keeping my things together. Having said that, what did I share with you in the starting? You will make mistakes. So be okay with it. Every trip, I lose something from my jewelry section when I travel. I don't know how it happens, but कहीं मेरा बीच में ब्रेसलेट गिर जाता है, कहीं मेरी कोई रिंग गिर जाती है. लकीली मैं आर्टिफिशियल ज्वेलरी पहनती हूँ, तो मेरा कोई नुकसान नहीं होता है. नेक्स्ट थिंग दैट आई रोट दैट आई वांटेड टू शेयर फ्रॉम माय ट्रैवल एक्सपीरियंसेस इज दैट ऑलवेज शेयर विद समवन वेयर यू आर, योर लोकेशन and your driver number. So when I travel, it's just a habit that I would share where I am with one person. Whoever is connected with me would know where I am. They would know my location, they would know what's my plan. अगर मैं किसी दिन out of network जाने वाली हूँ, I've hired a driver and I would give that information. And I would stay in touch with somebody, either a friend or my mother. Somebody would, you know, be there knowing where I am. It just helps. Nothing has happened, कभी कुछ ऐसा alarming नहीं हुआ है, but it's just something I do. Shop from Decathlon. Decathlon has amazing travel waterproof bag, travel bag, shoes, all the gear that you would need when you're traveling, whether it is in mountains or at beach or in a city. Decathlon has so many things. You don't want to miss out on Decathlon and Uniqlo. I love these two brands. When I'm traveling, I buy things from them. For example, I have this wind cheater from Uniqlo, best investment ever. I'm going to put it down below. All the information that I have, I'm going to put down below. So don't worry about that. Next thing that I do is that I always plan my travel with extra budget. So कहीं भी जाने के लिए अगर मेरा estimated budget 50,000 आ रहा है, तो मैं उसको 65,000 नोट करती हूँ, so that I can splurge, I can shop, and I enjoy things. I'm not a conjuice traveler. I love luxurious traveling. I one of my goal is business class flight and you know, just spending money, splurging. ये सब चीज़ें मुझे पसंद है. तो ये सब चीज़ें मैं जब करती हूँ, तो इसलिए मैं अपने ट्रैवल में कुछ अमाउंट इसके लिए रखती हूँ. बट सिंस पैसे वाइज मेरे पास अब इतने अच्छे पैसे नहीं होते हैं, माई ट्रैवल एक्सपीरियंसेस समटाइम्स आर वेरी बजट ओरिएंटेड, तो बजट में भी मैं कुछ एक्स्ट्रा रखती हूँ ताकि मेरे को पैनिक नहीं हो अगर मेरे पैसे थोड़े ऊपर नीचे खर्च हो जाए. आई फील दैट when I'm traveling, I don't want to count every time I'm eating somewhere. I don't want to be bothered if Ivan likes something and I have to buy it to him. I don't want to be too budget. I don't want to be, you know, कि ये नहीं कर सकते, वो नहीं कर सकते. Obviously, we have a little budget, and then I keep some 10 to 15% extra so that if we are splurging. और मैंने जो चीज़ लिखी है is that I go to airport early. Yes, this is something that I do. Please let me know if you do it. So मैं I love airport. I love spending time at airport. I love the whole experience of having a coffee at airport, having something to eat at airport. मुझे एयरपोर्ट पे वॉक करना होता है, मुझे लाउंज जाने का कोई शौक़ नहीं है, मुझको छोटी छोटी चीज़ें भी ख़रीदनी होती हैं, कभी मुझे कोई चॉकलेट ख़रीदनी होती है, कभी मुझे च्युइंगम ख़रीदनी होती है. आई एम दैट काइंड ऑफ लिटिल चाइल्ड हु लव्स एयरपोर्ट. And I do not like security panic. I don't like reaching airport late. I'm in any ways in general a very time oriented person. मेरी घड़ी के हिसाब से मेरा पूरा दिन प्लान होता है और मुझे घड़ी बहुत पसंद है. मुझे अपने टाइम की चीज़ें करना बहुत पसंद है. मुझे वो लोग जो कि टाइम का दिमाग के साथ उनका कोई कॉन्सेप्ट नहीं होता, मैं उनसे नहीं रिलेट कर पाती. तो मैं एयरपोर्ट हमेशा एक्स्ट्रा टाइम लेके जाती हूँ. और उस एक्स्ट्रा का टाइम का मीनिंग होता है कि इंटरनेशनल फ़्लाइट्स के लिए मैं 4 घंटे पहले पहुँच जाती हूँ और मैं एयरपोर्ट के लिए 1-1.5 घंटा रखती हूँ जस्ट टू हैव फन एट एयरपोर्ट. अभी मैं जब बाली से वापस आ रही थी तो मेरी फ़्लाइट सिंगापुर एयरलाइन से थी एंड आई एब्सोल्युटली लव्ड सिंगापुर एयरपोर्ट. It's one of my goals that next time when I'm at Singapore airport मेरे पास एयरपोर्ट के लिए एक अलग थोड़े से पैसे होने चाहिए ताकि कुछ चीज़ें मैं वहाँ से ख़रीद सकूँ. आई रिमेंबर व्हेन वी वर गोइंग फ्रॉम सिंगापुर टू बाली, तो मुझे एक चॉकलेट लेनी थी जो कि फ्रांस की है. सो मैंने उसके लिए पैसे अलग से रखे हुए थे, लेकिन वहाँ पे रैंडमली एक टॉय शॉप भी मिल गई एंड मुझे उस टॉय शॉप में जाए बिना ही पता चल रहा था कि ये टॉय शॉप बहुत महंगी है. तो मैं इवान को वहाँ लेके नहीं गई और हम कुछ ख़रीद नहीं पाए. ऑब्वियसली मैंने उसको बाली में बाद में बहुत सारी शॉपिंग कराई. बट इन एन ideal situation I would want to go in that toy shop. Forget Ivan. So मेरी और इवान की ट्रैवल टेम्पो में बहुत बनती है. हाँ, so anyways, this is how much I love airport and airport time and airport shopping and airport things and everything related to that. These were the pointers that I have written. अगर मैं कोई भूल गई हूँ तो प्लीज़ मुझको ज़रूर बताओ. आई ऑल्सो वॉच व्लॉग्स व्हेन आई एम ट्रैवलिंग. लाइक अगर मैं कहीं नेक्स्ट जा रही हूँ तो मैं वहाँ का कोई वीडियो निकाल के यूट्यूब पे देखूँगी. अगर मुझे कहीं जाने का मन है तो मैं उसकी वीडियो देखूँगी जस्ट टू हैव अ लिटिल ट्रैवल इंस्पो, जस्ट टू कीप इट इन माई माइंड, जस्ट टू विजुअलाइज इट मोर. I personally really enjoy the whole experience of traveling. मेरे और इवान का टेम्पो बहुत मैच होता है इन ट्रैवलिंग. इवान ऑल्सो रियली इन्जॉयज़ द होल प्रोसेस. जब इवान बहुत छोटा था मैं तब से उसके साथ ट्रैवल करती आ रही हूँ. तो लाइक हम बुक पढ़ेंगे एयरपोर्ट पे बैठ के, हम लोग we would want to try some new spot, we would walk a lot, we would do things, we would explore, we would get tired, we would get cranky, we would want to rest, we would want to get a massage. So मुझे अपने बच्चे के साथ ट्रैवल करना बहुत अच्छा लगता है. एंड आई थिंक कि बच्चे के साथ ट्रैवल करना बहुत डिफ़िकल्ट होता है इन द सेंस कि you're a parent, you have to be very responsible as well. I'll give you one example. So Bali mein Ivan wanted to do surfing lessons and first was mama let's do surfing together. So I took surfing lesson and Ivan also took surfing lesson. जब मैं वो लेसन ले रही थी तो सर्फिंग के आई थिंक 5 टाइड्स में ही मैं 5-6 बार गिर चुकी थी. जब मैं 6th टाइम गिरी ना तो मुझे पता था कि मेरे बैक में लग सकती है. आई स्टॉप्ड दैट लेसन. आई वाज लाइक तुम ले लो, मैं नहीं ले रही. बिकॉज मुझको बहुत ऐसे होता है कि अगर मुझे चोट लग जाएगी तो देयर इज़ नोबडी एल्स. आई कांट get hurt and have a trip with Ivan and I'm very conscious of that fact. So ऐसी चीज़ें होती हैं जब मैं इवान के साथ ट्रैवल करती हूँ एज अ यू नो लाइक मेरे ट्रैवल एक्सपीरियंसेस में ऐसी चीज़ें आ जाती हैं एज अ सिंगल मदर कि अरे अगर गिर गई या फिर अगर स्टमक अपसेट हो गया या अगर बुखार हो गया तो देयर इज़ नोबडी एल्स, देन इट्स जस्ट मी एंड माई चाइल्ड. तो ऐसी चीज़ें मुझे डराती हैं. टचवुड ऐसा कुछ हुआ नहीं है. आई यूजुअली आई एम वेरी कॉन्शियस एंड आई ट्राई टू be a very smart and intelligent traveler, but definitely if I make mistakes, there's going to be so much space to learn. Share with you something. Aajkal, thanks to social media, we think we should not repeat our traveling experiences. We should have more stamps on our passport. That is one way of traveling. The other way is to repeat your travel experiences and enjoy it. If you've had a really great time, repeat that great time. I like doing both. Sometimes I want to try new things, and sometimes I want to repeat my travel experience. Even when you will never have one experience twice, I would want to repeat and go to the same place and spend the same kind of time and enjoy it with the same energy and really enjoy the place again. Like all of the travel experiences that I've had, isme se Krabi, Bali, Hong Kong, Leh Ladakh, and Goa. These five places I can go anytime. I love these five places. So far, I'm obsessed with these five places. I always keep looking at my pictures and just it takes me back and it gives me a really nice, that inner peace wali feeling ki I've done these things. Before I close today's video, I just wanted to put out there that travel experiences do not have to stop post a breakup. Travel experiences do not have to be led by somebody else. Travel experiences do not have to be that you need somebody else to do that plan. I personally feel that travel teaches